Good job, dude. You're flying, homie. All right, slow it down a little bit. There you go. Good job, dude. All right, we're gonna slow down. Slow it down for cars. Good job. Woo! Heck yeah, good job, guys. Y'all are flying. Ready? Let Millie back up front. Yeah. Let's go. Yoo! Yeah, Jakey, go, bud. Let's get it. Yeah, dude, let's go. Yeah, good job, Jake. Yeah, let's go, Jake. There you go. Good job, dude. You're flying, bro. Good job, Jake. Holy smokes, dude. Yeah. Dude, you're crushing it, bro. Good job. Millie, you took off. Good gosh.
Yeah, I took off because I know the trail because I did it with my dad and then I did it with the whole group.
Yeah, all right, let's get it.
That was
Meow, meow. Yeah. Yoo! Good job, you two. Holy smokes. Yeah. Heck yeah. Look at you guys go. Yeah, let's go, Jakey Jake. Yeah, you big cinder. Yeah. Yeah, it is a big sandbox, huh? Send it. Yoo-hoo! Good job, dude. Millie's up there catching some air.
Yeah.
Good job. Super smooth.
Those actually sort of like, no, not the biggest jumps I hit.
No, but you're making them look really good.
Cranking up, they're bigger than that. And I hit the big lips on them.
Yeah. No, you make those look real easy. Good job.
Yoo-hoo!
Oh. Yeah, Jakey Jake. Yeah, dude, you're zooming, bud. Yeah, there you go. You had a stick in there. There you go. All better now. Be careful. There you go. Good job, dude. Yeah, dude, let's go. Good job, dude. See, we need to get you to ride more like this on the racetrack, dude. If you ride like this on the racetrack, Jakey, you would definitely beat Ryder. You'd give Beckham a ride for his money. There you go. Yeah, dude. Oh, yeah, make sure you make your corner. There you go. That's how you let it ride. Cindy! Yeah! Yeah, Jake! Yeah, dude, I think you cleared the last one there, bud. Good job. Because you're trying to keep up with Millie, huh?